How to upload files to Blackboard. First, you need to log in. Then you need to find your organization or course. In our case, we are talking about organization, which is under the Community tab. And then you go to the US Master. In the US Master tab, you can find the applications for fall 2018. And here, for example, in transcript section, you can upload your file by clicking on the little arrow. And you click Edit. And if you go down, scroll down, you will find Browse My Computer. And here you can decide, I will just randomly pick some file, and you can add it here. You can actually add multiple files at the same time. And then at the end, you just need to click at the bottom, File, Submit. So you click Submit, and then it's uploaded. That's all.